Peace, divines. We're back to vlogging. Miss my divines. And if you're new to this channel, welcome to Montauk Avenue, where we keep it real and being true to ourselves, right? And this is my braided. I put the braids in, got the little bump over here, but you know what? It's naturally me, and I'm happy with that, right? Day. Oh my goodness, you hear in the background. I have my window closed, but oh well. My son is at a class, so I am heading to the grocery store and I'm going to get some groceries, and then I'm going to come back and make a juice, and then I am going to pick up something from my Amazon locker. I on some natural smell good. This company is supposed to be natural. It's not sponsored. I may or may not put the company in the video, but either way, I'll try them and see which one my son likes, see which one I like. And I'm going to make dinner. I have to make dinner for me and my boop. Peace, divines. I am back home. Whole Foods was crowded, so I just was swerving and getting my groceries and doing my thing. What did I buy? I bought, because I made like this ramen like dish for me and my son. I'm cutting me up some mushrooms, and he likes a different protein with his ramen, and making my little ramen thing. But I was like, okay, I'll get back on here and we can open this box together of those scents that I wanted to see how I like them. Boopy is going to have to check to see if he likes any of them, and if we like any of them, then we will try it again. So I'm just opening up the box. I think it's like 4 or 5 cents, and this is not sponsored, so I am not going. It just caught my attention because the fragrance is these fragrances are supposed to be very natural. And we shall see. Fragrance, the way it's meant to be experienced, real bold and primal. Okay, I like that. Primal. Real bold and primal. Okay. Woo. Okay, so it is, I forgot, and I'm the one that ordered it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 different scents, so I guess we will just, this one is called something milk, because I don't want to put the company information on here. It's not sponsored. Oh, and it says synthetic free. It says something milk. This first one I'm going to try, and I'm not going to put it directly on my skin, but I'm going to spray it on something. Alright, I'm about to spray. It's very little because these are like the more sample size, so we can decide what we like. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's very, I'm going to know if it is very natural, because the ones that are not natural and good for me, it just like I automatically like feel like, oh my god, a headache like right away, which is just weird to me. This is it has like a, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it has a creamy and I think I'm supposed to say grassy, like a creamy grassy smell. All right, and the next one is something blue, BLEU, something blue. And let me see. I'm gonna try a little different piece. Luckily I have these little papers. The bottles are so little and my fingers are so long. I'm trying to spray it. Oh, I can smell it already. It has like a sweet, not a little, it's very strong. Okay, this is interesting. It has like a very, this is candy I used to eat when I was little. It has like a very like spicy, sweet smell to it. All right, and the next one is something natural. All right, I'm going to try another. Oh my goodness, I keep coming out the camera. So we shall try it. I'm trying to spray it. Let's fan it. Oh, yeah, I like this one because it's kind of like, I love things smell like sweet and creamy. That's my thing. Yeah, it's like sweet. It's like sweet and I like a This one is something new, NUE. We're gonna try it now. And after smelling these already, I don't feel like a headache, or just like my instincts are letting me know like, no, these are not natural. So that's a good sign. This is very sophisticated. Oh, it's like, okay, this very grown woman, I don't think Boofy needs to be wearing that one. Okay, this is something myrrh. So let's see how this is. Okay, I like it. And you know, I've smelled scents like this before, but I guess companies are starting to find a way to make them very natural, because I've definitely smelled things kind of like them that were not natural. But this is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, and the last one is paradise, but without the E. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, I'm gonna try it on a different paper. Gotta remove the other scent. Wait a minute, does this smell like bubble gum? Oh my goodness, it like smells like bubble gum. Oh my god, these are interesting smells. It brings a whole different vibe to what I normally do when I was younger. Oh my goodness, I did all type of things like a lot of people do, but now finding or looking into companies that are supposed to be natural, and now seeing what scents that I would like is interesting, because I'm just very, 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 very simple with this. So it's really interesting. And then I feel even that much more connected to and more conscientious with my decision with picking a scent or a smell that resonates with me, and do the hair herbal oil recipe. Whoopi is enjoying his ramen dish, and I am going to cut up my mushrooms and saute them and enjoy my ramen dish. And so, as always, I miss and love my amazing divines. As always, I want you all to be well, be blessed. I'm just putting the scents away. And be sure to check out my lovely juicing and smoothie videos, and just any of my other videos, especially if you're new to Montauk Avenue. You know, I love making the juicing videos and my smoothie videos, all my videos. And as always, I want you all to be well. Peace, divines.